Welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing an update on Prosperity Gem mining. In this video, I'm going to go over my 3 weeks earnings and also a lot of big updates regarding this project moving forward. Before we get any further though, remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So Prosperity Gem mining, prior used to be Crypto Gem Trading, is a DeFi project where they of course take the contract balance and were investing in cloud mining services to pay you a 2% per day. Now we have some big updates on this. Again, this is run by Manny D. He's a fully doxed guy and it was through an operated company. However, that is going to change. First off, they've updated their title now to a great DeFi project. We can see in the contract balance there is 1.6 million USDT with 6 million total USDT in deposits and 4.6 million withdrawn. Basically how the project works is they take the contract balance out, trade with it. Well, that's coming soon, little spoiler. They use it for cloud mining and then pump the money back into the contract balance. And it pays yourself 2% per day. So I initially had deposited 100 USDT and now available for withdrawal is up to 41 USDT. So there's a minimum withdrawal of 50 USDT, which I should hit in the next few days, and then I will be able to withdraw 50 USDT. Also, a positive of Prosperity Gem mining is at any point you can actually get your deposit back. This has been proved with their prior project where I got my full deposit back. They're fully transparent, it does work. So whatever you invest, you get 2% per day and you can get your full deposit back. So if we scroll down here, again, I will have a referral link if you guys are looking to join Prosperity Gem mining. At the bottom of the page, there's a contact us form. And here it is, if you want your deposit withdrawals, fill out the form. It will take 24 to 48 hours. And if you're requesting your full deposit refund, provide us the contract you wish to have it with your wallet address, etc. So yeah, fully transparent here. But now, what are the updates for Prosperity Gem mining? So again, the contract is looking pretty healthy at 1.6 million USDT. If we take a look into their Discord here, Manny himself have done some AMAs and announcements. So the biggest update actually came 2 days ago here. Huge update for the Prosperity Gem mining project. Number one, we are not operating in the US. So again, this used to be a registered company in California, I believe, and they were operating in the US. But now this is strictly a project and not a company for now, which is why they have changed the slogan to a great DeFi project. They're just running it as a DeFi project and now not under a company. Then number 3, mining. So they have cloud mining and physical mining rigs. And the big thing at number 4 is trading. A licensed trader will be coming on board for the team. So again, currently they were just using mining rigs to generate these returns. However, they are having a licensed trader come on board. And a lot of other projects who have had trading to generate revenue, etc., to pay the returns have been using trading bots, etc. And again, a trading bot can be okay, but I feel like they're pretty risky in a sense because it's not a human controlling it. But they're getting a licensed trader on board for the trading, which again, if he has a full trading license, of course, there's all of the documents and he has the skills, etc. So fingers crossed that should do well. Number 5 is, again, if you want your refunds, you can submit it at the bottom of the page. And the last part was some site updates. So that was the main thing here. I'm excited when this trader comes on board to see the sort of returns Prosperity Gem mining can be making. Then they did an AMA for Tuesday, talking about how it's now a DeFi project, the cloud mining and the trading. And there is a new thing for 25% of the contract balance. So they have introduced a new feature. So again, they're trading with the funds and using it for mining. But if the contract balance goes to 25%, I believe, of the total deposits, then they will actually bump up the contract, deposit back in to fuel it back up to that 25% threshold. So I believe today the contract balance went down to 24%. So only a 1% below. But again, they went in, they bumped up their contract balance back to 25%. And the last thing, there was some updates on the site. done some refunds, and Discord channels added. So again, this Discord used to be pretty messy. If you haven't actually looked at the Discord, there is a brand new server. So if you're on the old server, there's a post in announcements basically linking you to this brand new Discord, and then you can just join. Of course, you can go ahead and then just leave the old Discord there. But it's pretty good. Again, we've got the announcements channel. There is a full PGM info where it's going through all of the details, etc. The thing I'm excited about is having the cloud mining / bot trading results, because once they actually show these results, people will have a lot more faith in the project moving forward, especially with how volatile the crypto market has been recently. Once they can sort of prove these results, I feel like the project can do pretty well. But it's been going pretty solid. Again, I've been invested for 20 turning 21 days, so it is 3 weeks. And I'm looking at getting 50% return already, pretty much, if I can get to that 25-day mark, because again, it's 2% per day. I feel like I'm gonna I'll get as much out as I can, and then eventually maybe even get out my initial deposit of 100 USDT. That is also the minimum deposit if you guys are looking to join the project. So you need 100 USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. But I like that you can get your deposit out. So say you wanted to risk a bit more, you could do that, but then you can just withdraw the funds. But just remember, the minimum withdrawal per time is 50 USDT. So if you're only putting in $100, you will have to wait 25 days to get any returns out. So for me, probably going back, I would have deposited more so I could withdraw in smaller intervals, because waiting 25 days per withdrawal is quite a long time. Also looking in their Discord, their roadmap here for 2022. So they've launched PGM. They are also on Tron. Well, Binance Smart Chain is the main one, but they are on Tron as well. They're looking to launch Polygon and then an NFT launch as well. And the thing is, with this, all of the revenue they are generating from, again, the merch, the NFTs, will be pumping back into the contract to pay out these returns. 2023, they're doing full dashboard, back office, leader bonuses and much more. Then 2024, they're looking to launch a stablecoin and then get it listed on major exchanges. Pretty cool as well. You can schedule meetings with a creator, so you can do one-on-one, which is pretty cool if you guys are interested. And then again, there's off-topic suggestions, general and support. So if you do need any or have any questions, it is literally all in the Discord. There's beginner's guides for both chains, etc. So if you want to know full deposit here, just join their Discord. It is all linked down below, and you can follow one of these guides if you are unsure on how to join the team. But that is Prosperity Gem Mining. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know if you are invested. Out of all of the current DeFi projects, I feel like this is the strongest one still going. Of course, after the whole Worth Mountain stuff, this is my #1 project at the moment. But remember, it's not financial advice. Please do your own research, and it is DeFi, so stuff can be risky. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.